Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show UK 49 prediction for Friday 14 December 2023. Today lunchtime single prediction numbers. Number 1, number 14, number 24, number 25, number 35, number 44. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat. Number 1, number 14, number 24, number 25, number 35, number 44. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers. Number 3, number 5, number 11, number 12, number 21, number 32. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat. Number 3, number 5, number 11, number 12, number 21, number 32. Now lunchtime bonus ball numbers. Number 46 or number 48. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat. Number 46, number 48. So friends, complete today lunchtime prediction numbers. Today tea time prediction for Friday 14 December 2023. Today tea time single prediction numbers. Number 4, number 25, number 26, number 42, number 44. Today tea time single prediction number repeat. Number 4, number 14, number 25, number 26, number 42, number 44. Now tea time second prediction numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 34, number 40, number 41, number 43. Today tea time second prediction number repeat. Number 1, number 2, number 34, number 40, number 41, number 43. Now tea time bonus ball numbers. Number 40 or number 44. Today tea time bonus ball number repeat. Number 40 or number 44. So friends, complete today tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon. Every day lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers.